Former President Muhammadu Buhari has showered praises on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on his 73rd birthday, expressing pride in their long-standing political partnership. During a phone call on Friday, Buhari congratulated Tinubu, offering prayers for long life, good health, and a successful administration. In a statement issued by his Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, Buhari highlighted Tinubu's pivotal role in the formation and success of the All Progressive Congress (APC). He acknowledged Tinubu and other party leaders for their contributions to his own rise to the presidency. After multiple unsuccessful attempts, reflecting on Tinubu's impact on Nigerian politics, Buhari described him as a party stalwart, staunch activist, party organizer, builder, reliable ally, and serial winner of democratic elections. While Nigerians and political stakeholders are celebrating the birthday of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, some expressed criticisms regarding his administration and the economic hardship the country is experiencing. We will continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.